has made me realize one thing, that I am left behind, that I cannot do anything in my life now. Everyone around me is very intelligent while I am the only dumb person alive in this whole room of people. Mind you, I am only 17 years old and I am feeling this way. People my age are earning in lakhs, have great business, are doing one of the toughest courses in the country and clearing those in the first attempt. And while doing so, they are also managing content, social life, everything. While I cannot even survive a single long lecture or a single day at college without feeling tired. So, am I the problem? And all I see is people who have achieved a lot at age of 17, 18, 19, while me, I do not know what to do with my life. I am just clueless. And even ads on YouTube or Instagram make me believe it. Because what do you mean? If you are 17 or 18 years old right now, you are sitting on the biggest opportunity of your life, while all other friends of yours are busy sitting in long lectures, you could become a business person. Saw a reel, that person was pursuing CA, CS, alongside with creating content, managing brands, and managing a social life. How exactly are you doing that? Because as far as I know, I am a CA student and I am not able to do such stuff. मैं तो थक जाती हूँ. मैं एक दिन का लेक्चर अटेंड करती हूँ and I am like, मेरा जीवन खत्म है, मेरे से और कुछ काम करने बोल दिया तो मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी. I guess so. Not only me, a lot of people might feel insecure because seeing these people doing so much, it is like, भाई मैं तो कुछ ही नहीं कर रही. So why would in this competitive world someone select me over those people who are doing so many degrees, are so smart, can manage so many things at a single time, while I cannot do a one thing? I always thought I was academically smart, that I can do things academically because I do not have good skills. I am not a good editor, I am not a good artist, I do not sing nice, I do not dance good, I do not know how to paint, I do not know more than one foreign language. While everyone is so talented, how am I going to survive in this market? And while I know that this all is curated and is not the full truth, people are only sharing the success story and not the struggle behind it. And I should not feel insecure, but I should work on myself and reach that level myself too. But still, the insecurity creeps in. Even after knowing the truth that everyone has the same life like me, no one is doing better than me, no one is doing worse than me, almost everyone is doing same as I am, it still feels like I am left behind. Because the social media algorithm makes me believe that I am not doing enough. Be doing more, you should be purchasing this course, that course, do that, do this, so that you would be the perfect person, so that you would earn in lakhs. Half of these ads are not even real. These are fake advertisements to make kids purchase those courses. And then after that certification, of course, you are not going to do anything because were only ads to make you fools. But now those ads are so intelligently created that we as consumers don't even realize that those are ads or those are realities. There's a very thin line and no one is able to distinguish between it. Because how is an AI course of 1 rupee giving me a job of 70,000 per month? How? And that too when I'm 17 years old. It is questionable. Because I have to like step away from social media and look around at other people to realize that no, not everyone is successful, not everyone has their life figured out. Everyone is like me. No one is sure about what to do after 12th grades. No one. But media has made me believe that everyone has their lives figured out. I really feel great respect for the people who have actually figured their lives out at the age of 17, are jack of all trades. I so want to be a jack of all trades. Mainly a dream I want to achieve, but then also again, everything on social media is curated and not the whole truth. Not the whole truth. Everyone has a different life. But again comes to the point, how am I going to solve the insecurity to creep in? Of course, competition is very important for the person to grow in their lives, but when this kind of reels are pushed to me saying that I am not doing even 1% of what other people are, it genuinely makes me question my capability, my career, and my future. And the fact that everyone is a creator who has so many good views and so many subscribers or followers, and it has become a criteria to be good that you should have followers too, that a social media backing is very important in today's day. Having good amount of followers is very important for your career. It is just too much. Social media has made me think that anything you do is less because someone else is doing 100 times more than what you are, which is also true in real life. But I would have not known it, and I would have feel satisfied with whatever I am doing, because the ultimate goal of life is to feel satisfied with whatever you have achieved in your life. But with social media, that feeling of satisfaction has gone a lot away. And it is not just for like my age people who are like teenagers are trying to figure out their lives, but also for people who are old enough, because social media has normalized having a job at 19, having a house by 23, getting married by 28, and having one of the lavish weddings that you ever can afford. Is that people like me feel that, oh, I want to achieve this, but how am I going to do it? Because it's so hard. We are not coming from a privileged background where we could have learned so many different skills in this race of the new world. So that was it for today's video. I guess the video is very short, but it is what it is. Meet you in some another video.